Crypto guys, I'm just recording this PC build because cultofmush, I saw the video and I just wanted to put it up. So my phone ran out of memory last time, so I'm just going to do this really quick. Case is a Logysis 369BK. The side panel is kind of broken. Long story. It's a great case. I can fit anything in here. Great expanding options with fans. Stock case fan. Athlon X4 A60K, non-overclocked with the stock cooler. It's really dusty. R7 260X, VisionTek R7 260X. Great GPU, has two fans actually, and it's great. Stocked overclocked. Now you're gonna realize horrible cable management. Yeah, it's just because of the power supply that came with the PC case. I'm gonna be switching that to an EVGA 500 watt soon. And yeah, 8 gigs of G.Skill Sniper Series, 1600 megahertz RAM. It's good. So, and an MSI A78M E35 motherboard. It's a great build. I'm gonna get a new semi-modular PSU, or maybe just a regular 500 watt EVGA power supply, just for cable management, somewhat. 1 TB hard drive, so just regular old. I forget what type of hard drive it is. So yeah, thanks for watching. And oh, by the way, Cult of Mush, your videos are awesome, and thanks.